Experiencing the system is being upgraded message in CapCut? You're not alone. This usually indicates server maintenance, updates, or regional outages. This error typically occurs due to server maintenance, app updates, or regional outages affecting CapCut's infrastructure. As of January 2026, a major outage occurred around January 20th due to back-end server upgrades for new AI features. While mostly resolved by January 24th, some users, particularly in areas with slower internet, may still encounter it. This video will guide you through understanding and fixing this issue. The system is being upgraded error is fundamentally a server-side notification. This means the issue originates from CapCut servers, not your device. It occurs when CapCut servers are undergoing maintenance. This maintenance is necessary to deploy new features, such as advanced text-to-video generation, or to enhance existing tools like auto-captioning. The error can also stem from issues with CapCut's application programming interfaces, or APIs, and load balancing systems. These problems are more likely during peak usage periods or immediately following a major app update. Importantly, this error is not device-specific. It's a temporary back-end issue that affects the app's infrastructure and will resolve once the server maintenance or fixes are complete. The first quick fix to try is clearing CapCut's cache. This removes temporary data that might be causing the error. Go to your device settings, find CapCut in the app list, and select the option to clear its cache. This is a safe step that doesn't delete your projects. Next, try restarting your device. This refreshes the system and can fix temporary software issues that might be preventing CapCut from loading properly. Simply power off your device completely, wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Third, check your internet connection. The system is being upgraded error often occurs due to connectivity issues. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network rather than cellular data, which can be slower and less reliable for app updates. Finally, update CapCut to the latest version. Open the App Store on iOS or Google Play on Android, search for CapCut, and install any available updates. Version 12.5.1 or later, released on January 25, 2026, specifically addresses the system is being upgraded error with important bug fixes. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the system is being upgraded error, the next advanced option is to uninstall and reinstall CapCut. This provides a completely fresh installation of the app. After uninstalling, reinstall CapCut from your App Store. This ensures you have the latest version and a clean installation free of any corrupted data. Some users suggest using a VPN to bypass potential regional restrictions that might be causing the error. However, this method is not officially recommended by ByteDance and may violate their terms of service. Use a VPN at your own risk. The January 2026 outage significantly impacted CapCut users worldwide. Influencers experienced notable drops in engagement, leading to lost revenue opportunities. In India, network congestion amplified the issue, causing delays in business campaigns. However, the subsequent update featuring AI voice cloning received positive user feedback and showed CapCut's commitment to recovery and improvement. Tech analysts view CapCut's system is being upgraded errors as growing pains resulting from the app's rapid expansion. While disruptive, these server issues are often preferable to the alternative of security breaches. Cybersecurity experts recommend enabling two-factor authentication to protect your account, especially during outages. CapCut experienced 15 major outages in 2025, averaging 12 hours each and affecting 10% of users. Most users resolved the issue via app updates, while others waited it out. User satisfaction dipped during the January 2026 event but rebounded post-fix. Despite the issues, most users view these errors as temporary annoyances due to the app's free tier and ease of use. Looking ahead, CapCut is expected to incorporate real-time collaboration features and deeper integrations with social platforms, enhancing user collaboration and sharing capabilities. ByteDance is investing heavily in AI technologies to predict and prevent future outages, improving app reliability through proactive maintenance. To stay informed about updates and issues, regularly monitor CapCut's official channels and app status pages for the latest information. If problems persist beyond basic troubleshooting, contact ByteDance support directly for personalized assistance. Finally, keep your app updated to access the latest features and avoid known issues that have been resolved in newer versions.